Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Dan's Travel Tips, your go-to destination for all things travel. I'm your host, Dan, and today we're embarking on an adventure like no other, an exploration into the intricate world of airports. Get ready to transform your travel experience and navigate airports like a seasoned pro. But before we jet off into the secrets of stress-free travel, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. If you're passionate about exploring the world with ease, you're in the right place. Now imagine a world where airport hassles are a thing of the past, where every journey is a seamless adventure. That's the world we're diving into today, Dan's Airport Survival Guide. Whether you're a frequent flyer or gearing up for your first takeoff, this guide is tailored just for you. We're about to unravel the mysteries of online check-ins, breeze through security lines, indulge in duty-free delights, savor the luxury of airport lounges, and uncover travel hacks that will revolutionize your journey. So, fasten your seatbelts, dear viewers, because this is not just a guide, it's a ticket to stress-free, enjoyable travels. This is Dan's Travel Tips, and I'm your captain for today's adventure. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to elevate your travel game as we embark on the Airport Survival Guide. Navigating airports like a pro. Let the journey begin. Before we embark on this journey together, let's talk about why mastering airport navigation is crucial. Picture this, a seamless travel experience, devoid of stress and anxiety. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's within your reach, and by the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge to make it a reality. Our journey begins with the first step, check-in procedures. Save yourself time and hassle by checking in online before you even set foot in the airport. Not only does it speed up the process, but it also gives you the chance to choose your seat and ensures a smoother experience. The night before your flight, check that everything is on track. Look for the confirmation email from your airline. Make sure your flight is still scheduled to take off on time. If there are any changes, adjust your travel plans accordingly. Pro tip: keep an eye on your flight status, especially during winter or bad weather. Delays happen and you want to be in the know. You won't get past the gate without your ticket and ID. If you're 18 or older, your driver's license or passport will do. Under 18? Check if you need ID when traveling alone. International travelers, don't forget your passport. It's your golden ticket. It is paramount that you keep your documents handy. Don't bury them in your bag. You'll need them at check-in and security. Arrive early. Plan to arrive at least 2 hours early for your flight. If you're flying internationally, traveling with kids, or have special needs, add extra time. Driving? Account for parking and shuttle time. No one likes a last-minute sprint to the gate. Be mindful of your flight's check-in options. Head to the check-in desk or use self-check-in kiosks. Some airlines let you check in online up to 24 hours before your flight. If you're a light packer with only cabin baggage, skip the lines at the check-in desks and head straight to security. Find out if your carrier charges extra baggage fees for checking bags in person at the airport. Save time and money by checking your bags online at home. Keep your boarding pass handy. It's your golden ticket to the gate. Remove your shoes, belt, and any metal items before going through security. Laptops out, liquids in a clear bag. Also try to smile at the TSA and other airport security. They're just doing their job. Now that you've mastered the art of getting through security, let's talk about the importance of time management. Learn how to estimate security wait times so you can plan your airport arrival accordingly. Because who likes to be caught in a last-minute dash to the gate? Arriving at airport security with enough buffer is absolutely crucial. Consider it your first-class ticket to a hassle-free experience. Here's your time management playbook. Arrive at least 2 hours before your flight. This not only gives you ample time for check-in, but also ensures a smooth sail through security. Leave room for any unexpected hiccups, because let's face it, life is full of surprises. Mornings and evenings tend to be the airport's rush hours. Want to avoid the crowds? Midday might just be your sweet spot. Less hustle, more serenity. If you're part of the elite with TSA pre-check or clear, congratulations, you're the VIP of security lines. Enjoy the luxury of shorter queues and breeze through with a sense of accomplishment. This also goes for business and first-class flights for international airlines. Now that you've mastered the clock, it's time to conquer the baggage ballet. Picture it as a graceful dance through security. Here's how to organize your belongings for that seamless screening. Your bag is now a puzzle waiting to be solved. Place your laptop, liquids, and large electronics on top. Shoes deserve their own space in a separate bin, and coats? Off they go for a brief solo adventure. Liquids, those 100 milliliters or less wonders, find a cozy home in a quart-sized Ziploc bag. It's the magic trick that prevents spills and keeps everything in order. Time to strip down. Well, your accessories at least. Remove your belt, watch, and any bling. They'll have a reunion with you on the other side of the security dance floor. Ladies and gentlemen, slip-on shoes are your best friends in this scenario. No one wants to be caught tying laces while balancing trays and maintaining their cool. As we embark on this journey together, let's not forget the importance of maintaining security etiquette. We're all in this together, and a little patience and courtesy go a long way. Take a deep breath. Smile. It's contagious. Channel your inner Zen master and radiate calm vibes. Remember, the energy you bring contributes to the overall atmosphere. No cutting, no pushing. Respect the line because we're all on a common quest to reach our destinations. It's a shared journey after all. Congratulations! You've made it through the screening. Now, gather your belongings swiftly. Don't block the exit and let the flow of fellow travelers continue smoothly. And here's a little extra tip to sprinkle some positivity. Thank the airport staff. A simple expression of gratitude goes a long way. After all, they're working hard to ensure our safety and the efficiency of our journey. Time to treat yourself. It's duty-free shopping time. Join us as we explore the vast array of shops, from high-end boutiques to local gems. Discover popular items like perfumes, chocolates, and unique souvenirs that will make your journey memorable. Ah, the sweet scent of savings. Dive into a realm of high-end fragrances at discounted prices. Whether it's Chanel, Dior, or that exotic niche brand calling your name, the choices are as abundant as the fragrances themselves. Take your pick and let the sweet savings linger. Swiss, Belgian, or local artisanal. Indulge your sweet tooth with chocolates that transcend borders. These delectable delights not only make perfect gifts, but are also a delightful treat for yourself. It's a journey of flavors right at your fingertips. Want to carry a piece of your destination home? Explore handcrafted ceramics, silk scarves, or unique trinkets, all waiting to tell the story of your travels. Duty-free areas are not just about products, they're about creating memories. Now let's talk numbers, the language of duty-free savings. Duty-free means saying goodbye to import taxes and duties. That designer handbag you've been eyeing? It's likely to be cheaper here than on Main Street. And if you're flying internationally, consider yourself lucky. Shop to your heart's content without worrying about those pesky customs fees. But hold on, before you fill up your cart, know that each country has its own limits on duty-free purchases. A little research beforehand can save you from any surprises at the checkout. Knowledge is indeed power. Duty-free is your passport to smart shopping. So, as you explore these retail wonders, keep in mind that the true treasure lies in making informed, intentional choices. Duty-free. It's not just a phrase. It's a strategy for savvy travelers. Need a break from the hustle and bustle? Airport lounges are your oasis. We'll walk you through access options. Whether it's through airline status, credit cards, or paid passes, there's a way for everyone. First things first, access options. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, there's a lounge key just for you. So, it's better to look your options up before traveling. To our frequent flyers, listen up. Elite status with airlines, gold, platinum or diamond, unlocks the door to lounges. Check your perks, your golden ticket might be waiting. Premium credit cards are another magic key. Look for cards with priority pass or lounge key benefits. Swipe and the doors swing open. Even if you're not jet setting every week, fear not. You can buy day passes. The question is not whether it's worth it. It absolutely is. Now let's talk about the perks that turn an ordinary layover into a luxurious experience. Say goodbye to those stiff terminal chairs. Lounges are your haven with plush sofas, recliners and quiet corners, the perfect spot to recharge. Stream, work or catch up on emails. The Wi-Fi here is faster than a takeoff roll. Stay connected in style. Mid-journey freshness, anyone? Trust me, stepping out of a shower in the lounge is a game changer. You'll arrive at your destination feeling like a whole new traveler. From gourmet cheese platters to fresh fruit, the snack bar is your happy place. Indulge in a culinary journey while you wait for your next flight. No crying babies or loud announcements, just tranquility. Lounges offer a serene escape from the airport chaos. Now, let's get strategic with your lounge time. Arrive early to maximize your lounge hours. Calculate your layover. It's your golden window to immerse yourself in the lap of comfort. If time is of the essence, prioritize. Wi-Fi first, snacks second. Choose wisely to make the most of your limited lounge time. Time for some quick travel hacks. Ever been stuck with a dying phone and no outlet in sight? Picture this. You're at the airport and your phone is on life support. Don't panic. Enter the heroes of our tail charging stations. These life-saving havens can be found near gates, waiting areas, or cleverly tucked away in corners. Airports understand our addiction to screens. That's why they've scattered charging stations throughout, equipped with USB ports, power outlets, and sometimes even wireless charging pads. Plug in and let your devices recharge while you recharge too. It's a win-win. Next on our list, hydration, because staying refreshed is non-negotiable. Say goodbye to overpriced bottled water and hello to hydration stations. Seek out water fountains or refill stations, conveniently located near restrooms or food courts. Here's a pro tip: bring your reusable water bottle. It's not just about saving money, it's about saving the planet. Fill it up and contribute to the eco-friendly journey. It's a win-win again. Now, let's talk about the contents of your carry-on. It's not just for snacks and magazines. Never check in your meds. Keep them in your carry-on because you never know when a headache might strike mid-flight. Preparedness is key. Your checked bag might also decide to go on its own adventure. Be ready for the unexpected with fresh undies and a spare tea. Trust me, future you will thank present you. And there you have it, fellow adventurers, the culmination of Dan's Airport Survival Guide. A journey filled with insights, tips, and strategies to transform your airport experience. If you found this guide valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travelers, and hit that subscribe button for more travel wisdom on Dan's Travel Tips. This is Captain Dan signing off, wishing you safe and enjoyable journeys. Until next time, may your flights be smooth, your adventures be thrilling, and your travels be nothing short of extraordinary. Bon voyage!